Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. All right, signs that your system is headed in the wrong direction. Rising electric bills, but there's a caveat to that. Not due to rate increases. We've had rate increases. So just understand what your utility has done. If your electric bills go up 20% and your utility bills rates have gone up 20%, you're still running the same. Keep that in mind. Lack of performance. In other words, the system used to cool the house well, but now it really doesn't, or some rooms are now deficient all of a sudden. What changed? Probably the system's performance. It may have to do with refrigerant. It may have to do with other tired components. It may also have to do with maintenance. You can always try that first. The age of the system. Typically, systems last well over 10 years, maybe 12 or 15. We consider the economic life of systems to be 15 years. After that, it's anybody's guess as to how long these are going to go. And also prior maintenance and use. If the systems have been maintained well every year and consistently, we see them last longer. 15, even 20 years is not uncommon, even longer. Generally, in the 15, 20-year range, there are going to be some larger repairs, though. And maybe it's your choice to do that, or if you haven't maintained the system well or don't know its maintenance history, maybe it's a good time to start over. My goal in this video was to give you an efficient answer to your AC questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you are in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.